Let us know harm caused by microorganism. Before starting this, I want to tell you some terms. These are communicable diseases, pathogen, carrier, food poisoning. What are communicable diseases? Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Example: cholera, common cold, chickenpox, HIV, tuberculosis, and rabies, etc. What are pathogen? A bacterium, virus, or other microorganisms that can cause disease are called pathogen. Let us know what are carrier. The organisms such as insects and animals which carry diseases causing microbes are called carriers, such as female Aedes and mosquito act as a carrier of dengue virus. What is food poisoning? Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganism. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. So it is very important that we preserve food to prevent it from being spoiled. What is food preservation? The process of preserving the food by using the chemicals to check the growth of microorganisms. Salt, oil, sodium benzoate, and sodium metabisulfite are common preservatives. Milk is preserved by the process of pasteurization. Pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. The milk is heated. It is a process of heating milk up to 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. It was discovered by Louis Pasteur, so it is called pasteurization. Let us know what is nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen balance is mentioned in atmosphere through a cycle path which is called nitrogen cycle. It is the biogeochemical cycle by which nitrogen is converted into compound of nitrogen which can be utilized by plants for their growth. The steps involved in nitrogen cycle are: first is nitrogen fixation, second is nitrogen assimilation, third one is ammonification, fourth one is nitrification, next is denitrification. It's a diagram of nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation is the process of converting free nitrogen gas of atmosphere into nitrogen compound. It's a diagram of roots of leguminous plant. Leguminous plant means plants of pea, gram, groundnut, etc. These are the root nodules. In these nodules, rhizobium bacteria are present. These bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen.